Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about how to keep ants off cat food. This video will explain everything you need to know about the easy hacks to get those annoying ants off your cat's food, so make sure you stick around for that. First, apply petroleum jelly to your cat's food bowl. A simple hack to keep ants off cat food is rubbing petroleum jelly or Vaseline outside their food bowl. This will make it harder for the ants to climb into the cat's bowl due to its sticky formulation, which acts as a barrier. Although it can get a bit messy as your cat may also get the jelly on itself, ensure you regularly wipe it off and reapply it for the method to work effectively. Use an ant-proof pet bowl. Ant-proof pet bowls are designed in such a way that makes it difficult for ants to climb inside them. The bowl has two layers, the outside layer, the moat, and the inner layer where the cat's food is placed. The moat can be filled with water, some come designed with a repelling substance, discouraging or blocking the ants from crossing over to the inner layer. The moat acts as a protective wall and keeps the ants away. Make sure you don't place the bowl touching the wall though, as ants can climb up the wall and escape the barrier, allowing them to crawl inside. Create a DIY water moat. This is similar to the ant-proof pet bowl, but you create it yourself. Place your cat's bowl over a more prominent, shallow dish and put water inside it. This setup also effectively keeps the ants from crossing into your cat's bowl. Use a pet feeding mat covered with ant repellent. These mats prevent ants from climbing into your cat's food as they are coated with non-toxic repellents. The repellents, usually filled with unpleasant smells that ants dislike, stops ants from their tracks. Additionally, the mats are easy to clean and are designed in various sizes. Use natural remedies. Natural remedies such as citrus peels and coffee grounds can help keep ants off cat food. You can scatter citrus peels around your cat's food bowl or create a citrus spray since ants dislike the scent. Also, sprinkling coffee grounds, cinnamon, or cayenne pepper around the ants' entry points and paths disrupts them from locating food sources. Other remedies include creating diluted sprays containing vinegar and essential oils that deter ants from your cat's food. Seal your cat's food in airtight containers. Airtight containers provide adequate storage for your cat's food as they prevent ants from tracking and accessing its scent while maintaining its shelf life. So there you have it. Even after many decades, ants still cause a lot of infuriation, and as a fellow cat owner, I hope these easy hacks help keep them away from your cat's food. Don't hesitate to like, comment on what worked for you, and share this video. Till next time.